Welcome back. In this final workflow, the automation begins when a lead books an appointment. Starting with the trigger of the workflow, the trigger is when a customer books an appointment. In which calendar? In Elevate Flow Strategy Call. The link of this appointment can be sent to a customer through an email, or a customer can book the appointment directly on the website through the contact page, and they click on this book a meeting, and it takes them to the calendar where they book an appointment with the organization. They select the time they will be available, input their details, and then they book the appointment. And also they can also book an appointment with this voice AI. Now going to the first action in the trigger. The first action is when a lead or when a customer books an appointment, add a particular tag. Add this tag, booked Elevate Flow call. Now the next action is send an internal notification to Blessing. Blessing happens to be a user in the organization. Now you want to update the opportunity in pipeline stage appointment book, and you leave the status open. The next stage is wait 1 day after appointment time. After the appointment, wait 1 day. This is a delay. So after the appointment has taken place, what will happen? Update opportunity in pipeline stage pending approval. After the appointment, maybe during the appointment, the customer has told you what they want, the service they want. Maybe they want you to build a website with a voice AI embedded in the website. So the next thing you want to do, you want to send an invoice to the customer so they make payment for their service. Now this is on hold. This is the second workflow. Now you want to send an invoice, and you want to track if the customer has made payments yet. So for this trigger, payments received in a product, if the product is sales funnel and CRM automation. So to send an invoice, you need to create a product. Then you add the product inside the invoice you're sending to the customer. This is the invoice here. You select the customer. For example, this is the customer. Then you come down, you add the product. This is the product that I created, but the product has different services: websites with AI chatbots, landing page, CRM. So I'm clicking on this inside that product, I'm clicking on that particular service inside this product. Now I want to view the invoice that the client will receive. Now this is the invoice the client will receive. Now once payment is made, a particular tag will be added to the client. Now this tag elevates flow client paid. Now this automation ends here. The first automation continues. So when pending the time the client makes payment, the opportunity will move to another pipeline stage pending approval. Now we need to wait for 3 days. This is a delay. So within that 3 days, we want to check if the client made payment. And if the client made payment, a particular tag will be added, which is this tag. Now the system wants to detect if that tag is added, it will come to this branch, which is the yes branch. Oh yes, the client has made payment. Now when the client makes payment, what happens? The opportunity will be moved to the stage closed, and the status will be 1. Another tag will be added. The tag added will be Elevate Flow Closed 1. Then an internal notification will be sent to Blessing and Ayola. Maybe an internal notification will be sent to the manager and the user assigned to this contact. And now you want to send an email or telling the client that, oh, your payment has been confirmed. Now this branch ends here. Now what if after the 3 days delay, the client did not make payments? Now we want to send a reminder email to the client telling them, oh, you are yet to make payments for this service. After sending the email reminder, wait for 2 days. Now this is another condition. We want to check if the client ended up making payments. If they made payments, they'll be moved to this branch. Yes, if they move to this branch, this automatically goes up here, and this follows this step down to this end here. But what if they did not make payments? You want to move the opportunity to the pipeline stage closed, but the status will be lost. Now you want to add a tag, add tag EF closed, lost, and not sure. The reason for this tag is you can create a smart list for future email campaign. This entire system connects email marketing, funnel lead capture, website interaction, appointment booking, and payment processing into one seamless workflow. This project demonstrates how GoHighLevel can be used to build a fully automation marketing, sales, and client management system for businesses. Thank you so much for watching.